Hi everyone, my name is Li Sun. I'm from the Department of Orthopedics in Guizhou Provincial Hospital. Today, I will show you my paper, High Expression of NDRG3 in Osteoarthritis Patients, published in Arthroplasty and some progresses of the mechanism for osteoarthritis in our research group. Osteoarthritis, orthopedically the most common chronic degenerative disease, mostly occurs in the hip and knee joints that are constantly subjected to heavy loads and stretching. OA is often diagnosed in the middle and late stages. The mechanism of control site degeneration has been a subject of active research in OA studies. An understanding of the underlying mechanism can provide therapeutic targets for the prevention and treatment of OA. Articular cartilage tissue is a hypoxic environment, and studies had shown that its oxygen content is about 1% to 5%. Hypoxia-inducible factor HIF is a key regulatory factor produced by cells in response to a hypoxic environment. At present, most research efforts are directed to the effects of HIF-1 alpha and HIF-2 alpha on cartilage degeneration. NDRG3 is a member of the NMAC downstream regulated gene NDRG family. Li and his colleague demonstrated that NDRG3 could regulate the hypoxic response of tumor cells independent of the HIF pathway in 2015. This suggests that secondary pathways involved in the hypoxic response of cells are much more complex than previously known. In the course of OA, not only are there non-classical regulators or pathways involved, but more intertwined or independent regulatory pathways are also implicated. On the basis of the NDRG3-mediated hypoxic response, we surgically collected specimens from normal and OA patients and conducted a variety of histopathological experiments to explore the relationship between NDRG3 and the development and progression of OA. The HIF-1 alpha staining showed that the control sites in the normal group stained positive, and the immunopositive staining was extensive and stronger in the OA group than that in the normal group. Moreover, the HIF-2 alpha staining showed that the control sites in the normal group were weakly stained, and the OA group showed uniform and obvious positive immunostaining. Results from the immunohistochemical staining area of positive staining and integrated optical density analysis showed that the cartilage cells in the normal group were stained weakly, and the cells in the OA group were obviously immunopositive and uniformly stained. The statistical analysis showed that the positive staining area and integrated optical density were significantly greater in the OA group than in the normal group, and the differences were statistically significant. For some unpublished data, we also found that hypoxia could upregulate the expression of NDRG3 in mouse chondrogenic cell line and human chondrogenic cell line. Moreover, hypoxia also could upregulate the expression of NDRG3 in mouse chondrogenic cell line and human chondrogenic cell line with the increase of time. In summary, HIF-1 alpha can maintain the balance of control site breakdown and anabolic metabolism by regulating the expression of various proteins. At the same time, HIF-2 alpha is involved in the pathological process of OA and is a key regulator of articular cartilage degeneration. NDRG3, which mediates the hypoxic response independent of the HIF pathway, might be closely related to the development and progression of OA, and its relationship with OA warrant to be further explored and confirmed in the future. That's all for my video. Thank you very much.